We have to remember what's most important in life. Friends, waffles, and work. Or waffles, friends, work. But work has to come through. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am just as Leslie Knope today in honor of making some Parks and Rec inspired waffles, except these are going to differ a little bit from your traditional waffle. They are going to be sweet potato and they only have 5 to 6 ingredients. They're super easy to make and JJ's Diner is going to have a run for its money. So if you want to know how to make these, please keep watching. So getting out a food processor, you're just going to add in 1 cup of roasted sweet potato. And then you're going to add in some non-dairy milk of choice. And then blend it until it becomes a smooth, pureed mix. And once that's done, it should look something similar to this. And then you're just going to set it aside. Then, getting out a medium-sized bowl, you are going to add in some oat flour, some pumpkin pie spice, some baking powder, 2 flax eggs, and then the sweet potato puree. And then you're just going to mix that together until it becomes a smooth batter. And then getting out your waffle iron, you're just going to spray that with some nonstick spray. And then taking a ladle full, you're just going to place it in the waffle iron in any shape you would like. I just made a little circle. And then you can close it, and once it's ready, you can serve it with, of course, whipped cream, Leslie's fave, or you can do any type of fruit, chocolate sauce, etc. It is time I say bye-bye, little Sebastian. Peace out. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you make it, please tag me on Instagram. I'd love to see the photos of it. And yeah, see you next time.